Okay, how are you, dear students? Yes, I know you are excited to study, right? So today we are going to learn environment studies, and in that we are going to learn our lesson number 4, that is my neighborhood. हमने ये पहले भी पढ़ा है इसके बारे में, कुछ नेबरहुड के बारे में आप बोलोगे नहीं, बट इट इज़ इन कनेक्शन विद द लेसन ऑफ पीपल हु हेल्प अस. हमारे आजू बाजू जो लोग रहते हैं वो टीचर ने लास्ट लेसन में लास्ट वीडियो में बताया था, दे हेल्प अस इन आवर रूटीन लाइफ, राइट. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द नेबरहुड. नेबरहुड मीन्स व्हाट? नेबरहुड किसको बोलते हैं? नेबरहुड मीन्स द एरिया अराउंड आवर हाउस इज कॉल्ड नेबरहुड. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, द एरिया near our house is called our neighborhood. We find many places. बहुत सारी जगह हमको देखने के लिए मिलती है ना. Like what? You will say कि क्या क्या मिलता है टीचर? थोड़ा सोच के बोले. Yes, we see what we see. Yes, we see school, hospital, park, market, है ना, etc. things near our house. And each place, हर एक जगह कैसी है? Very important to us, है ना. They are useful to us and they are important to us. बहुत काम का होता है ये सब. हमारे घर के आजू बाजू जो होता है सब कुछ हमें घर के पास, when we find everything near to our house, we are so happy, है ना. बोलेंगे कि हमें कहीं दूर जाना पड़ा नहीं. Now let's learn about the places near our house, places which we can see, right. Number 1 is market. Market means what? आप जाते हो मार्केट में? Yes, with whom you go? Yes, with your parents. Why you go? To buy things. चीज़ें खरीदने के लिए, है ना. हम खरीदने के लिए मार्केट जाते हैं. A market has many shops. If you have observed that market में क्या होता है? बहुत सारी दुकानें होती है ना. And we go to market when we need something, like if we need milk, or we need vegetables, or we need clothes, or anything else, whatever we need, we go to market, है ना, to buy the things. Sometimes we go to market to sell the things also. जैसे कुछ पुरानी चीज़ें और वो मार्केट में जाके हम बेच सकते हैं, तो at that time also we go to market, right. So we go to market to buy or sell things. In this picture you can see there are shops in the market, and the girl is going with the mother to buy something in the market. So just have a look for it. Now number 2, which place we see near our house? Okay, let me tell you, just guess. जरा सोचो हाँ कि you are not feeling well, you are having fever, or you are having cough or cold. Where are you supposed to go? आपको कहाँ जाना पड़ेगा? Yes, we go to hospital, correct. When we are not well, when we are sick, or when we are ill, जब हम बीमार होते हैं, जब हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, at that time where we go to hospital. And what happens when we go to hospital? Correct, doctor treat us. Treat us means हमें वो अच्छा करने के लिए मेडिसिन देते हैं, दवाइयाँ देते हैं, right. They treat us and give us medicine, right. So we go to hospital where doctor treat us and give us medicine. And when we go every day, रोज जाते हैं हॉस्पिटल? No, we go to hospital only when we are sick, right. So just remember that. Now third thing, do you all like to play? आप सबको खेलना अच्छा लगता है? Yes, right. We all like to play. Where can we go to play outside? To have to swing, or to get to where we find the slides and yes, correct. We go to park to play. हम पार्क में क्यों जाते हैं? खेलने के लिए, है ना, मज़ा करने के लिए. With parents we go, and over there we play with our friends and parents and brother or sister in the park, and we enjoy over there. Nowadays I know that it is not possible, right. We are not able to go to park because of this coronavirus, and we are not able to go to park. But when the things will be normal, you all can able to go again, right. Till then please parents को परेशान मत करना क्योंकि टीचर ने बोला पार्क में खेलने जा सकते हैं तो चलो चलो चलो. नो, डोंट डू दैट. right? Be a good children. Now number 4 is post office, right? नंबर पोस्ट इन दैट पोस्ट ऑफिस देखा है कभी आपने? पोस्ट ऑफिस देखा है? बोलोगे नहीं टीचर नहीं पता है इतना, और किसी ने देखा है तो दैट्स वेल एंड गुड. इफ यू हैव नॉट सीन, आई हैव पुट द पिक्चर ऑफ पोस्ट ऑफिस. आप देख सकते हो एक बिल्डिंग है, दैट इज पोस्ट ऑफिस, एंड नेक्स्ट टू इट इट्स अ लेटर बॉक्स. लेटर बॉक्स मीन्स उसमें क्या करते होंगे? वी राइट लेटर एंड पुट इन दैट बॉक्स. You can see the postcard in next picture, and about the post office you can see the stamps. Have you seen all this? If not, then please observe these things, right? We go to post office to buy stamps, envelopes and to post letters. Now you must be say, teacher, stamps means what? Stamps will be of a 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees, or according to the weight of your paper, the postmaster will tell you. In post office you will find a postmaster who will guide you to do all these things, and you have to stick that on the envelope. वो आपको कवर के ऊपर लगाना है, and then you have to post the letter. लेटर बॉक्स में डालना है, and you have to write the address on it. आपको किसी आपके फ्रेंड को लेटर लिखना है ना, तो यू हैव टू राइट द फ्रेंड्स एड्रेस. इन दैट यू कैन राइट द डिटेल्स. आपके फ्रेंड्स को सब बता सकते हो. देन यू हैव टू पुट इट इन द कवर एंड यू हैव टू पोस्ट इट. तो क्या होगा? यू नो दैट पोस्टमैन विल कम and will take the letters and will deliver to your friends. In last lesson we have learned that postman delivers letters. So it is the post office where the postman works and do all these things. So we have learned about the post office. Now most important place near our house, and you all are missing it too. आप सब उसको मिस भी कर रहे हो. सोचो think what it could be. Yes, your school. Yes, we find school near our house. And why do we go to school? क्यों जाते हैं? Yes, we go to school to studies, and over there teachers help us to learn new things. स्कूल में टीचर्स हमें न्यू थिंग्स पढ़ने के लिए, लर्न करने के लिए क्या करते हैं? हेल्प करते हैं, राइट? सो इन दिस पिक्चर यू कैन सी योर स्कूल and teacher who is asking you back to school, come to school, right? So we go to school to study, and teachers help us to learn things. We only not study over there, right? We meet our friends, we learn to share our things. So many things we learn at school, right? Now as I हमने देखा है ना कि वी आर लिटल स्कैर्ड ऑफ समथिंग और समवन. हमें कभी कभी डर भी लगता है. कैसे होता है बोलो? किससे डर लगेगा? अगर घर में कोई घुस गया तो. इफ समवन विल एंटर इनटू योर हाउस विदाउट आस्किंग एंड विल से कम ऑन गिव मी योर ऑल थिंग्स, सब कुछ दे दो मुझे. who it could be? he or she could be? Yes, thief, है ना? चोर अगर घर में आ गया तो डर लगेगा. Yes, but हमें ऐसा भी पता है ना, who can help us in this situation? To whom we will call? Correct, police. And where does a policeman work? At police station, है ना? Police station is a place where police work, and you can see in the picture that police station is there, police car is there, and the policeman is also there, right? You can see it. Now the police help us to live safely. हमें सेफ रहने में पुलिस हेल्प करता है. कैसे? दैट दे हेल्प अस टू फॉलो द लॉ एंड ऑर्डर. वो हमें मदद करते हैं ना कि जो भी रूल्स रेगुलेशंस है उसमें को हम फॉलो करें. दे जस्ट लुक आफ्टर अस कि भाई हम देखते हैं कि भाई हम सब अच्छे से जा रहे हैं रोड पे या नहीं, वेदर वी आर ड्राइविंग प्रॉपरली और नॉट. कोई हमें परेशान कर रहा है तो पुलिस विल कम एंड आस्क, right? So police help us to live safely, and they protect us from thieves. Protect us from thieves means चोर से हमें protect करते हैं, बचाते हैं. The police protect us from thieves. Now we have learned about all these places which are near our house. They are called our neighborhood. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? neighborhood बोलते हैं, है ना? So how should we keep it? हमारा नेबरहुड कैसा होना चाहिए? नेबरहुड मीन्स हम जैसे घर से बाहर निकलते और जो ये सारी प्लेसेस देखते हैं वो कैसी होनी चाहिए? डर्टी? शुड इट बी डर्टी, गंदा होना चाहिए? नो, राइट, वी शुड नॉट मेक आवर नेबरहुड डर्टी, उसे हमें गंदा बनाना चाहिए नहीं, बट वी हैव टू कीप इट क्लीन एंड ग्रीन। कैसे रखना चाहिए उसको? क्लीन भी रखना चाहिए, साफ भी रखना चाहिए। और ग्रीन मीन्स क्या? ग्रीन कलर करने का? नो, वी हैव टू प्लांट मोर ट्रीज। सो ट्रीज कैसी कलर की होती है? ग्रीन कलर, एंड वी कैन सी दैट ग्रीनरी इज ओवर अराउंड अस, राइट? हाउ कुड वी डू दैट? एक स्टोरी मैं आपको बताती हूँ उसके बारे में, देन यू डिसाइड दैट वेदर यू कैन डू दैट और नॉट, राइट? नाउ देयर वर टू फ्रेंड्स who were going to school every day. His name was Tom and second friend's name was Jim, right? They were going to school every day and the teacher was teaching them about the neighborhood only. They were listening to carefully, and while coming back to school they saw that their neighborhood was so dirty. It was really very dirty, बहुत गंदा था, and they thought that it should not be like that, right? So they called their other friends that tomorrow is Sunday, let's meet at 9 o'clock in the morning at some park, right? They decided the place and they met. अभी क्या हुआ? They met and they discussed that look at our neighborhood, कितना गंदा है हमारे आजू बाजू, हमें ऐसे में रहना चाहिए, we should not, हमारे टीचर ने क्या बोला? It should be, we should keep it clean. So they started कि okay, we will do it, and they started cleaning it. उन्होंने क्या किया? साफ करना शुरू किया. They just picked up the things. The people have littered the things on the road, right? सब wrappers डाले हुए थे. Litters means कचरा करना, और वो सब किया हुआ, तो उन्होंने क्या किया? सब कुछ उठाना शुरू किया. They just picked it up. They just put it in the garbage. They just put it in the dustbin or dust and the boxes, and then what happened? After some time their parents have seen that our children are doing such a nice job, and they also joined them, and they make their neighborhood clean. उन्होंने अपना neighborhood कैसा बना दिया? साफ. And they decided to plant some trees also, and they did so, and they, by this way they kept their neighborhood clean and green. So what we have to do? Should we litter the things on the road? हमें चॉकलेट खा के रैपर ऐसे ही डाल देना चाहिए? No, right? We should not do that. We should not throw the garbage on the road, है ना? We should wait for the garbage van to come and collect the things. We should, till then we have to put it in the dustbin. So by keeping these small things in mind, we can keep our neighborhood clean. Now when we go to park, we should not even dirty the park, right? We should not make our park dirty. How it could be, right? What we do? हम कैसे गंदा करते हैं उसको? We go to park with some snacks, है ना? We eat half and we throw it away. Don't do that, right? It makes the park dirty. And while playing, we should not harm the plants. Harm means नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना चाहिए. We should not harm the plants growing over there. But rather than that, what we can do with the help of our adults, हमारे बड़ों की मदद लेके, we should plant more trees. We should grow more trees. So our neighborhood will be clean and green. So we have learned about our neighborhood, and we have learned that we should keep it clean and green. We should not make it dirty. Thank you.